Hello, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to synchronize your pocket operator with your other gear so it plays perfectly in sync as well as starting and stopping automatically. This technique works with your favorite DAW such as Ableton or Pro Tools, but it also works great with drum machines or, in my case, an MPC 1000. Towards the end of the video, I'll demonstrate with a new song I made up using the PO32 tonic. So there's 3 basic steps to get your pocket operator to sync with your other gear. The first step is to set the sync mode on your pocket operator. For the PO32, you press accent plus BPM to change the mode. In my case, I'm using mode SY2 because I'm running a stereo audio into the input of my pocket operator. If you have a different pocket operator, check out teenageengineering.com to see how to change your sync mode. Now that we've set the sync mode, we want to take an output from our DAW or from our drum machine and plug it into the input of the pocket operator. In my case, I use an extra audio output from my drum machine. And the final step is to play a 1/8 note sound, a pulse, into the input of the pocket operator. In my case, I use a loud snare sound. The way this works is that each pulse that's received in the in-headphone jack on the pocket operator moves its clock forward 1 step, which again is a 1/8 note. The output you'll want to hook into your audio interface or whatever you're using to record the sound from the PO32. And you should know that I had to experiment a little bit with different sounds to get a good pulse sound, and a loud snare seemed to work the best for me. Check it out. Once you've perfected your beat or your song on your pocket operator, you're going to want to record it. In my setup, I'm playing the pulse sound out of my MPC into the pocket operator. Then I'm using the MPC to record a sample of the pocket operator that I can use during live performance. This way I don't have to fuss with the PO32 buttons when I'm playing live. If you're using a computer, the setup is basically the same. Your DAW will output the pulse audio into the input of the pocket operator, and then you'll record the output from that into your performance. Now I'm going to record a sample of the PO32 into my MPC. Now that I have the sample in my MPC, I can add it to a sequence so it'll automatically play when I play part of the song. Now that I've got this set up, I can actually live record sequences into the PO32 along with the music that I'm playing. When I wrote this song, I started with a beat on the PO32 tonic. Unfortunately, this thing died halfway through the song. I was going to make another beat for the B part of the song, and it wouldn't even turn on. Luckily, every time I got a beat finished, I sampled it into my MPC, so I still have most of the song. So almost all of the percussion is done with the PO32. It's a pretty powerful little drum machine. The only thing I added was a couple of snare samples here and there, and maybe a second kick drum. Enjoy.